Welcome to Trade with Rob, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. Now, this update is for Wednesday, the 13th of November, 2024. Hope you're having a good day. Hope it's been a great trading day for you. As we do get started, keep in mind everything we look at is for education. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. If you find something you like, make sure it fits your own personal risk profile and risk tolerance. All right, so we're going to start off with the one candidate that did go off yesterday that was a viable trade, and that was Toll Brothers, TOL. Right, so we gapped down on Toll. So the thought was pull back, break down, retest, and fail. Let's see what it did on a 5-minute chart. It pulled down, it retested, and it failed. Exactly what we wanted to do. Trade on. Now, it wasn't a big trade for us. If we look at the numbers, we got in at $156, and we got out at 152 and a quarter. So when I said it wasn't big, it's not a tremendous trade, but it's better than our average, which has now moved up to 224.55. Keep in mind that now that we are 60 trades in to the number of either winners, losers, or break-evens that we've had, it's hard to move the needle. You get a $300 trade, you're going to move your average trade by $1, right? There's not much in there. Every 60 trades, for 60 trades that are out there, to move the average by $1, I've got to beat the average by $60, right? So we're not going to get tremendous moves in there, but we're up to 13,473, 224.55 is our closed P&L. All right, then now. All right, let's go and look at the S&P 500 first. So on S&P, we had a little bit of pullback today, a little swing high pattern setting up for the last 3 days in there. Nothing crazy about the day. A little weakness at that 6,000 level. I'm not surprised. We rang a major bell. We've had a tremendous move since last week's election came out, so I'm not surprised. I'm looking at that 59.17, which is at really 59.18, which is where our 8 moving average is, and our Fibit, we're looking for that to be our next target. All right, 3 candidates for today. United Healthcare, UNH. Here is the entire Fibonacci that we're working off of. All right, we're going to scrunch it down a little bit, and we are actually going to break it out a little bit. All right, there we go. One more time, and we're good. Let's see. All right, so we are looking at, we're in a bullish bias right now, so I really prefer the bullish trade setup. So let's go through and look for that one first. So move up, retest, bounce. Right, take the trade off of the bounce, stop just below that 618.55. You're probably in this trade right about 621 or so. We've got resistance at 641.5. We're looking at a target of somewhere around 638, 639, 38, 39, somewhere in that range, give or take. For the downside, retest and fail, much smaller move in here. We're looking at taking the trade up, the bounce off of the 618.55. Stop is just on the other side. If support is at 608, we're looking at a target of about 611, 612, somewhere around that range. All right, so that's trade 1 and done. FUTU, not YouTube, FUTU. Gesundheit. So I like this better to the downside right now, so we're going to go with red. Give me a small break, a retest, and a fail. Take the trade as it breaks down below that 93.36. Stop is just on the other side. Support is at 84.5. Somewhere about 85.5, 86. Somewhere in that range is going to be a target. Right? For the upside trade, it's kind of limited because my moving averages are right here. They're at 96.5, 97.5. So I'm not going to do the upside. I only want to take the downside on this one. So that's 2 for you. And then VEEV, V-E-E-V. Great move over the last couple of days, right? Very much an election type trade the way it's moved. And we have played ping pong between these 3 particular days here for the last 3 days between these 2 fib lines. So definitely like the upside movement better because we are in a bullish bias right now. Let's try that one more time. Okay, let's go grab our drawing tool. Here's the blue one. Breakout, retest, and bounce. Remember, not breakout, take the trade. Breakout, retest, bounce. That's me. You may do breakout, take the trade. That's okay. Your trade, your money, your way. Here's the entry. Stop just below 237.5. Resistance is at 242 3/4. We've got a target in there of about 241, somewhere around there, about 241. to the downside, move up, retest, drop, take the bearish entry, stops just on the other side of 237.58. Support is at 231. My target's going to be right about 232 and a half, 233, somewhere around that range. All right, and there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all at the next update. Make sure you are registered or subscribed to get our emails that tell you these videos are out, because today I just gave you 3 candidates. There are 17 in total, which means if you're getting our email sent to you, you're going to have those other 14 stocks listed in there that are potential trade setups for tomorrow also that you're not going to get to see otherwise. All right, have a great rest of your day. I'll see you on our next update. Bye for now.